In again. Go! Go, Darren.
With 14 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists and 4 steals, the Rob Spare Man of the Match award goes to Andrew Chigora.
Perfect, thank you very much.
Alright, Andrew Chigora, you were the Rob Spare Man of the Match today. How do you think your performance was?
Yeah, it was okay. It was an okay performance. I mean, there was a couple of times I missed some open layups. The ball just slipped out of my hand, but I think I could have contributed more in terms of assists. Rebounding was okay, but I think at some points of the game we needed to slow it down a bit, so I think that's something to work towards the next game.
How important was it for the team to bounce back from yesterday's defeat?
I mean, it was very important because, I mean, yesterday we didn't play our best game, and today we didn't play our best game as well, but we showed what we can do as a team, and being together for a short period of time, I mean, we've got a lot of stuff to work on, and as soon as we start training, I think things will start to get back together. But I think for this, it's a good boost for the team morale, so hopefully we'll pick it up in practice.
What are the key things to focus on for next week's games?
I think we're a very good man-to-man team. If any defense comes man-to-man, we can beat them quite well. So I think, but we struggled with the zone a couple of times. So I think in training we're going to have to work on the zone stuff so that when it comes to the game time, things click and it's a lot easier for us to score buckets and stop the other team as well.
All right, congratulations on your award. Thank you.
Thank you very much.